I got all the rivets ground down. Don't take my lead and not use the proper PPE. Make sure you wear gloves, eye protection, hearing protection, etc., etc. Well, everybody, it's off. So much for saving it. I was gonna try and save that so I could sell it, so I could recoup some of my money, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. What a pain in the ass. Anybody that says, oh, it's held together with glue and rivets. Yeah, it is. Strong ass fucking glue and rivets. There ain't no question about that. Those things are a pain in the ass. But there we go. Now, I've seen people just do panel bond with these box sides, but I'm gonna do panel bond and rivets. It's just extra precaution. God damn, I am whooped, man. This thing kicked my freaking ass. Whew. But, yeah, this stuff, man, if they would have had this during the sinking of the Titanic and patched that hole real quick, that thing would have never went down. Grind that down, grind that down, go clean up all the other shit that, all the rivets. See what I'm saying right here? See how they're punched in? Now, if you look down here, I ground it. See how nice and clean of a line that made? Or hole that made? Yeah. So, I mean, can't really get up in there. So, I mean, you can do it afterwards so you have a nice clean line. Just make sure that you spray some self-etch or some cavity wax or something right there to prevent it from corroding. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grind those down on the inside so I can freaking rivet it right into the fiberglass. Like I said, I'm not sure about the wheel well arch. Screw it, I'll show you. See this side? This part was damaged. I got a new one in the garage. So that I'll have to put that on. But whoa-bam! But here's what I'm talking about. You see how none of that lines up? Yeah. And there is literally no instructions online. There is not a single frickin' place where you can find, and you'll see people put them on, but they don't explain anything about here. So my guess is that this outer piece where the box used to connect to needs to get cut, and then I will buy another set of these liners, cut the liner right here, and then rivet another piece of liner or something. I don't know, because I really don't want it exposed, because it's stupid as hell. They never said customizing was easy, did they? There we go. I got this side mocked up too. See? It's not lined up at all. I really don't want to cut it, but I don't see another option. This sucks. Hey guys, so I think I figured it out. So these have to come off. Right here, these little guys. Yeah, unfortunate, but yeah, it was not gonna work like that. So those came off on both sides, and I took my liner out, and let me just show you how this thing fits. See, as you can tell, it fits like boo-boo juice, right? So I already did the other side, and it looks a lot better, and I stretched it, but I did it in the less conventional way. Let's get the truck pulled in, get this thing hoisted up, and get it on the truck so we can do our mock-up, make sure everything's lining up good and everything else. Oh crap, you know what? I gotta put that front piece on still. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm probably not gonna video it. But yeah, I have a little winch up on the ceiling, and I have a metal bar that's dispersed through the rafters so that it doesn't put all the weight on. But I mean, this freaking box is aluminum and fiberglass. It probably weighs 60 pounds. If that wasn't sketchy, I don't know what is, because that was definitely the definition of sketchy. Oh, God. Pucker factor. If that doesn't make your butthole get tight, I don't know what does, because it sure did mine. But, yeah. I can already tell you one thing I do not like. That. What the fuck is that? Shoot dang, look at that. Starting to look like a truck again. Yeah. Motherfucker. That's gonna suck. Jesus, that's pretty tight. Ugh. God. I don't know, man. That road's like shit. That fucker's in place, too. Yeah, see? Everything's in place. In the notches, I believe. Yep. I might have to investigate that a little further. It's on, and it's about midnight right now, so pretty sure I'm gonna call it a night now. I mean, really, there's not a lot to do. I'm just gonna line up this, put a rivet or a screw or something in there to hold it in place, and then put one rivet at the bottom on both sides for the bed, and that's just so that when I take it off, I can draw a line on the inner piece, and then I'll know where it goes after I take it off the bed, because I'm going to pop those rivets back off once I get it off the truck, and that way I can put the panel bond on there and then re-rivet it. So I'm probably only going to put 2 or 3 rivets or screws in there just to hold it into place, and I'm probably going to get some help with that because I don't want to mess any more stuff up, because I already messed up that cab corner piece. I'm gonna have to paint that now. But considering that I got this on myself, I think that's very doable. And then cab corner, that spot I think I will be cutting out and replacing tomorrow or the next day. I'm sending the seats out tomorrow, so depending on how long the seats take, I don't see why this thing won't be done this week. But I mean, you guys probably won't see it for like a week or 2, so sorry. But it takes a long time to edit videos. It's a pain in the ass. Even though my videos aren't the greatest, it still takes a lot of time. I mean, the last video I did, I think, took about 4 or 5 hours. That was my best one yet, I think. I feel like I'm opening up a lot more to you guys. I'm not so nervous anymore. And I have really bad public anxiety, so this is helping me out, I think. It's kind of nice. But anyways. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to put the tailgate on there too to double check and make sure that's all good to go. It'd really suck if I painted it and go to put the tailgate on and it scratched the shit out of it. Sorry for my language. My military does that to you. And just being a degenerate. But, yeah, boys and girls. Just look at it. Just look at it. Don't be sexy. Hey guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Turn on your post notifications so you can stay up to date with the build. Yeah, I'm sorry this video is so short, but I just wanted to get this out here because, I mean, even with it being white right now still, it looks really good. I mean, look at that. Just look at it. Oh, man. So, soon enough, she's gonna be finished, and then we're gonna be moving on to our next project. So, stay tuned. See ya. Take care, guys. Peace.